Namaskar, I am Dr. Raju Ramekar, founder and CEO of Shri Purohit Online Solutions. Shri Purohit is an online puja booking portal which enables its users to connect with Pandits online. Our aim is to give maximum benefits at Purohit level and also satisfy our customers with our services. Our aim is to blend technology and tradition so that our users can organize a puja without any hassle. Once you have accepted the puja, the samagri is purchased by the Purohit depending on the selected package. After completion of the puja, the Purohit is paid as per the MOU. Our finance team will promptly deposit the Purohit amount on every completion of puja, and the same can be checked in your app. Yes, we do have a fully operational app that makes it convenient for the Purohits as well as our customers. Let me quickly take you through the app. In Play Store, type Shri Purohit, then install the app. Register and enter all details. Click on I agree and submit. You will now receive a user ID and password on the registered email ID. Log in using the email ID and password. The password can be changed in the settings. Once the puja is booked by a user, all the registered Purohits in the city are notified about the requirement, and the Purohit can accept or reject it through the app. If the Purohit accepts the puja, he is notified with all the information like the puja name, location, language, package, etc. Now, he needs to chat with the user and give all necessary information about the puja timings, date, and preparations. If the user wants to call instead of chat, the Purohit can guide the user to My Bookings, where he can find the number of the Purohit. The Purohit buys the puja samagri according to the package selected by the user. For additional services, the Purohit can view the amount in puja by clicking on the I button. 2 days before the day of puja, the Purohit is reminded about the puja through a notification. He needs to keep his GPS enabled throughout the day of the puja so that the user can keep a track of his location. He needs to be in constant touch with the customer after accepting the puja till he completes the puja. The Purohit needs to be punctual as per the Muhurat or time of puja at the puja location, and the complete puja has to be done with utmost devotion. Immediately after reaching the puja location, the Purohit clicks on Reached on Puja Location button in today's puja. At this time, an OTP is sent to the registered user mobile number, which the Purohit submits on the app to confirm his arrival. After the completion of the puja, the Purohit has to click on Puja Completed button in today's puja and submit one more OTP provided by the user. OTP is mandatory to submit for completed puja to confirm the status. On completion of puja event, the assigned Purohit will get the payment of his share as mentioned in the MOU document. In case of cancellation of the puja by the user, Purohit will be notified, and if the cancellation is done within 48 hours of the puja, then 35% of the package cost will be paid to the Purohit as a partial compensation. A Purohit can cancel puja 3 times in a year, and in case of an emergency, he can cancel a puja 2 days before the puja. Though the Purohit needs to arrange for an alternative Purohit and inform about this to the Shri Purohit admin team. If the puja requires more than one Purohit, then this arrangement needs to be done by the authorized Purohit depending on the package selected by the user. The decided dakshina should be shared accordingly between all Purohits. This dakshina is already included in the package and is not taken from the user later. The Shri Purohit app is a user-friendly app and a transparent app with features that help the Purohit as well as the user to manage all transactions systematically. Once logged in, you can click on the top left corner to drop down a list of features. The Puja history helps the Purohit to see all the completed and cancelled puja done by him. The chat details help the customer to chat with the Purohit after he has been appointed for the puja. The Purohit can see all his previous and current chats here. The inquiry form helps you to inquire about anything, and the inquiry history reflects the status of all inquiries. All notifications are to be seen in the Notifications tab. All rejected requests are collected in the Rejected Requests tab. The Purohit can have a look at all the business done, amount paid, pending payments, etc. in the Transaction History tab. The Shri Purohit app is an effort to ensure the smooth conduct of the puja. With the help of your dedicated support, we can together aim to achieve maximum number of puja events and to make our website successful.